And welcome back to the shop. I'm Model T and I have stickers to share with you. But first we're going to talk about Gandalf the Green. So I have now my electric hand polisher and look at how much better this does. It definitely came out really shiny in comparison. Oh my gosh. Now it's been like 4 weeks, I believe, and look at the shine it still has on it. This time I really got to the point where I did the amount of time that it needed. It got really smooth. So I'm going to continue on Gandalf now and get the rest of the vehicle looking like this. But I'll show you what I'm doing with my toolbox first. While Paul cleans up the grease here on the floor.
Hey.
I'll show you what I'm doing with my toolbox.
Yeah, go do that.
Well, Paul cleans the floor from our leaky Model A's. I'm going to show you my toolbox and I'm going to put some stickers on it. I do want to thank my friend Ryan from Hawaii for sending me stickers, and also Mark from Connecticut, William from Florida, and Peter from Australia. You guys came through for me. You've got me stickers. Some of them I can't use because they're just too huge. So I'll use them for something else that's fun. But for now, I think I have an idea of where I want to put ones. But I picked out my most favorite sticker. I don't know why. It's from Ryan. It says, Art of Fast. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for thinking of me. So what's next? Right there. Got all my stuff. Paul even got me some more little doodads to compound and polish and all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna get going on that.
Hold her right there.
Look it. I look like a ghost.
I look like I'm telling a ghost story.
I ran out of coffee. Ah! All right, so it's like 90 degrees today. It's really hot. Paul's stocking me up on my cold coffees. God bless him. He loves me so much. Got my little covers to my polisher ready. I'm gonna put that on. It's gonna take a moment though. It's hard to get it on. It's like trying to get a buffalo out of a chicken. I don't know, whatever that is. So remember, I won't be doing the fenders because we'll be taking those off. They need to be painted. gonna take a little tiny break. I don't know, Paul. Am I 3/4 of the way yet?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Am I that hopeful? Okay, so the electric hand is it electric hand polisher?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so tired I can't think anymore. Definitely makes it much faster with the same outcome if you were to do it by hand. Still a lot of work, and it is so freaking hot in here. Had the fan on, Paul's like, let's put the fan on you, yay, thank you. But it was drying the compound out too quickly, so now I just get to suffer. Well, just a little peek at what my feet look like. This is how dirty poor Gandalf green is. Holy mackerels. But look at him now. To compound this Model A, it took me most of the day, but look at it, it's so shiny and it's gonna stay that way for a long time. Next up, I'll be polishing it, so I can't wait to share that with you. Don't forget to subscribe and have an awesome week. Love you guys. If you'd like to use some of the products I used today in this video, I've put links down in the description to make it easier for you.